Good morning. Good morning. Let's see if you will say a couple of words. Let's see. Can you say, hey, Coco? Hey, Coco. Hey, Coco. Can you say apple? Can you say, what you doing? What you doing? Okay. You're not talking because the camera's on? Can I have a kiss? Oh, thank you. Can you say, I see you? You're not going to say anything silly. I don't know what to say because you're not talking. You were just talking up a whole storm. Yeah. Can you say, I love you? I love you. I love you. I do. Okay, I guess we're going to have to practice again. Thanks for watching, everybody.